NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train.
This program furnished by the MAD Unit, Mobile Auto Detailing. See Michael Sad at themadunit.com. This program furnished by Sporting Goods, 23 East Washington Street, Newcastle. Call 724-658-2535. Funding for this program furnished by Mary's Turner's Day Spa, Wilmington Road, Neshannock Township, Newcastle. NewsWatch, keeping you informed. New manufacturing apprenticeships in northwestern Pennsylvania, building on the commitment for job training. Governor Wolf today announced new apprenticeships at tool and die makers and plastic processing technicians in northwest Pennsylvania. The partnership with the private sector and the apprenticeships will prepare workers for jobs in the plastic and petrochemical industries in the region. For every Pennsylvanian deserves a chance to build a rewarding career and earn a good wage, said Governor Tom Wolf. The apprenticeships, in partnership with the private sector, will prepare workers for new jobs and also enhance the Pennsylvania economy. Now, we're going to take this break, and when we return, a whole bunch more on NewsWatch.